and invite the man who has inspired all of us, the man who has inspired a generation, the man who has brought us together, the man who has charged a generation and a nation and gone through a lot of troubles trying to make sure that Uganda gets its freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only legally elect of Uganda, of the Republic of Uganda, Honorable His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine.
When them say that, just for the African dance. You want the Asia, if I never had to have a visa, with my brother, Mr. Days, I'm on Namibia. Hold up. Metoka. Kuna matata.
Having discussion. Right behind the screen, what you see is what Honorable Chagulanyi is doing now, preparing to come, one, entertain the audience, at the same time to them or share different ideas. So it's going to be a combination of two things, at least according to what we have received from our sources so far. They say it's not going to be the usual speech we've heard from people before. The president said that this time is going to be different. We want to entertain the community at the same time give them the entertainment. Give my speech as I give them entertainment. So that is what is happening. The whole if you get an opportunity to see what on my left side and on my right side, everything is fired up. We are seeing a lot going on and we expect a lot to keep going. People celebrating the future of National Unity Platform and People Power, and we expect that more of that is here to happen, more of that is still going to happen. We don't know when things are going to the last day, and we will say, okay, the NRM government is out, now it's the National Unity Platform taking control of everything happening here. So this is the usual stuff. This is the question that have been asked by different individuals. But of course, what should we expect from today's discussion from Honorable Robert Chagulanyi? We understand that he's going to speak to a number of individuals, he's going to talk to the diaspora people here, he's going to give also some communication to the people back in Uganda, the need for resilience and the need to continue demanding for their freedom, the need for continue demanding for their rights, the need for fighting for their future. This is not like any other event that has happened before. To be honest, this is the first time virtually we have had a conference taking place here and entertainment from another country. This is unique. This is what makes the National Unity Platform one of a few organizations worldwide that make wonders day in, day out. And I'm not speaking that from a different perspective or from the media point of view, but from a personal experience. I've produced different shows before. I've produced different conferences before. This is unique. Just a good nation from Kampala, Uganda. What we see here is something unique. That how did it happen? How did the National Unity Platform come up with that? But right behind me is Honorable Chagulanyi. We expect him to be coming in shortly, and we will be hearing from him very soon. My producer is telling me that he is already coming in the house. But now I'll take you back into the conference room. Thank you so much for watching AITV, the official broadcasting network for the event.
This is the message to the oppressor, expressing what is not there on the face of mind. Uganda etambula enda mabega mutuze n'okutwetamya eggwanga lyaffe mulimba mutunyigiriza nnyo nammwe kale tetuganye mwana muziko naye gwe mwana gwe wasanga nga tannazaalibwa kati naye yazaanada bino mukingambire muteyabamtu bange nebazeeyi banne bamugambeko Tonga jamu jale meboko katika zona linyamike Yalinga nemokula sebaji burunga katika kubana iboko rote Yalipanga mende tenji bajizalawa Ajekode no tenji Nabaka kikendo kuzama wanjago Nabasi bukako Akola biye yabadi Nayenga yoko kisoni ya peja Bunda uga topa Seboko batwale pino Aise Bana Uganda bali kumanga Bagala kukuma waka Bana Uganda bakunganye Bostoni Bagala Uganda ya Nindo We are living in a time similar to the one of slave trade. This oppression is worse than apartheid. The gun is the master, the citizens enslaved. The fall of Africa is the question. What was the purpose of the liberation if we can't have a peaceful transition? What is the purpose of the constitution when the government is wasting the constitution? It's my freedom of expression. You charge me because of my expression. What you're doing to our nation, but I think in the future generation. Our leaders become misleaders. Our mentors become tormentors. Fighters become dictators. Yaga, 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 yo. I say, we are ready for freedom. We are ready for freedom. We are ready for freedom. Bana Uganda bali kumawanga. We are ready for freedom. Yaga, 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 yaga. We are ready for freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute pleasure to be with you tonight, brothers and sisters gathered in Boston tonight. An absolute pleasure. Congratulations upon the completion of a successful retreat. So much has been shared, but ultimately we know that the long and short of it is to free our country. It is our job, it's our duty. Nobody else. Muchimanye, yukununula Uganda chikukakatako, abana ba Uganda fina. Okununula eggwanga mulimu gwaffe, bana Uganda. Manya okununula Uganda mulimu gwaffe, bana Uganda feka. Era gwe bw'otunuulira ebikyamu n'osirikireyo, ulindemu ensi olukwe. N'abo abakulwanirirako gwe n'osirikira gy'olubera otusagaze. Buno obutaja tubukyawuti naye nga twanyize walayi. Freedom comes to those who fight, not to those who cry. Because the more you cry, the more your people continue to die. So rise and free yourself. I don't know why they don't show me to yaga, yaga, yaga. Why they try to electricity? Why they try to education? And you see the tribalism. I don't know why the corruption is too much. Why the price of electricity is too high. Why the price of education is too high. Can't you see the tribalism is too much? See, I would like to communicate. I would like to communicate about the things that we have to eliminate, the ignorance and poverty to eradicate, the ghetto children to educate. Don't you try to politicize, don't say Bobby whining, criticize, sensitize, desensitize. I know my people must realize the most important thing that truly but begins in your mindset. In your mindset, truly but begins in your mindset. To bring the people the most education. Education is expensive. It's like you say we carry water in a basket. I don't know why the corruption is too high. Why the price of electricity is too high. Why the price of education is too high. Can't you see the tribalism is too high? Give me one look. Masomero fizi tusasula simu naye emirimu gibeera gy'abalonde abavubuka kati betingibwe mulimu obusosoze mu mawanga bulungi sosoze mu mawanga bulungi oba owakanage beyite mu poliisi tunulira buli dipisi kyenjogerako wadde nkyusi ebintu bino byenjogerako abalala bibalumira muli ne bisigalayo ku mitima. Shooting that ebintu bino byenjogerako mwe bangi bibalumira mulinde bisigalayo ku mitima buli omu yandifunye equal opportunity no matter the trial ne tumalawo fitina eno time boom egenda kubaluka bagambye eno time boom naye egenda kubaluka ebyenjigiriza time boom egenda kubaluka embeera ya karatini naye egenda kubaluka eno zikapyu naye egenda kubaluka ng'eribaluka temugamba tetwabagamba. Greetings all the friends gathered in Boston and those watching us all over the world. Bring you greetings from Uganda. We want to thank the leadership, the NUP People Power Chapter, Aman, Aineviona, Kapalaga, Evelyn, and send greetings to my brother and friend Kabuye Boston, all the leaders that came from Uganda. Joel Semakula, Jakubamba Konako, one by one, Olivanji Nyo. We love and respect and appreciate you. Dorothy, thank you for steering the welfare committee. We decided to monitor you, to minister to you through music this evening, ladies and gentlemen. We always want to find various ways of delivering the message and make sure it reaches home, because communicate is all we can do now. The more we awaken our people, the stronger we become, the more assured we are of liberty and freedom. Soonest. Dance! Now this one, I want to dedicate to the police officers. Kanonjagala kawiriza aba police officers mwena abanene n'abatono, all the big and small police officers. Keep the guitar going. Yes, to all the police officers, I know you're watching me from your phone. We have told you before, we continue to tell you that we are not your enemies. We are your brothers and sisters. We marry your sisters, we marry our brothers. Our children go to the same schools. We live in the same country. You're not isolated from the rotten system. You're not isolated. You're not safe from the dictatorship. Because the violence goes to you as well. We've seen what happened to the army generals. So, when we're demanding for a better Uganda, we're demanding it for you too, for your children too, for your women too. So dear men and women in uniform, while we appreciate you, we call upon you to join the people of Uganda, because history has proven that those that stand against the people never win in the end. I want to encourage you to have the confidence to stand for what is right, to have the confidence to stand by the oath you took, to have honor for your uniform, not to serve an old dictator who is clearly on his way out. I'm sure it's the same message that went to the Gaddafi soldiers, to the Mugabe soldiers, to the Bashir soldiers, the young men and women that were fooled to follow the corpse into the grave. But this one is for you. Why you beat me in the city, not way? Why you kick me in the city, not way? Katonda baofisa usoka kuba munansi, Katonda bapande kulina chengamba. Watoto wangu na watoto wako wasome vizuri, wapate vyuzi. Madamu wangu na madamu wako wazae vizuri, wapate matibabu njema. Nilegokulu kunyoto ni muganda wo, inomye kolari amba kwena watu apande sipigane namu, nakupinga kupigania nawe lakini apande siomba nawe siwana nawe lakini apande sipigani nawe nakupigania kupigani nawe lakini nakupigania apande siwana nawe siwana nawe blessed love.
Recording in progress.
Man. So remember that, men and women in uniform. Bus. So ladies and gentlemen, introducing a brother and comrade, fresh from Chitalia, coming Nubia. Yaga 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 yaga. Sing. Uganda, we are the country, the future, the changing badly. We are the youngest population in the world with standard chance. We are the leaders of the future, and the future is today. If we only come together, we can change our destiny. Opima moja tuliotirawa wetuli, si wetuli na upuma. Uganda. Wake up, wake up, Sabalero sisimuka tuligambe kyadde kwanga twakira banti kikite mwakola eyali omuto oluli abusenge emyaka kiyise kati yekwe muti omuto kuba olabe nga bwejuna we muti omuto saba wenyigire mu bikolwa byolaba naawe ebijule ensiyo obanga webase boyirero sisimuka muligambe ekyata Uganda mwakiraba nti kikite mwakola eyali omuto tuli abusenge emyaka giyise kati yekwe muti omuto kuba olabe nga bwejuna saba wenyigire mu bikolwa byolaba naawe ebijula ensiyo leke byakutta kubali kuloba ensi oleme byakutta Bulaaya kuloba ensi yongewabo oleme byakutta Amerika kuloba ensi yongewabo oleme byakutta kubali kuloba ensi yongewabo giraba oleme nakuba walayise eddembe lyo terikulanunusu njagala okimanye mutima abetutya yebbe bebasinga okutya mugwange tonaye nga tulowooza ng'abakulu tube mugwange tonaye nga tulowooza ng'abakulu weewale n'okuyiga obuyisa bw'abo abafuzi abajjudde omululu tuteme n'empende empya ezikuza Uganda ey'ejjo ly'amababu njagala okimanye mutima be tutya yeffe be basingawo okutya We are the country, we are the future, we are the change we badly need. The youngest population in the world will stand a chance. If we only come together, we can chase this man away. If we only come together, we can chase this man away. When the going gets tough, the tough must get going. Especially when leaders become misleaders and mentors become tormentors. When freedom of expression becomes the target of suppression, opposition becomes everybody's position. Omutima gumenyese naye temanyi munyonyi nawe gukumenyese abantu eyo gyepitira banyongomedde be basuubira byawukana ku bye balaba abalala ne baleetamu banyigirizibwa ne babulako tebaloopa baabwe ne gye wandibadolopera kibeera kizibu okubunayo obwenkanya kugamba tosigala wansi ensi bwekusuula sirugawo mangu tambule muzitoli kyangu eno oluwanvu siruga tugende kumaaso siruga emera ebalamu amaanyi emugo watugende oluwanvu naye tutokambo eyimuka emera ebalamu amaanyi mugo watugende mwana wange omaki Ladies and gentlemen, I want to dedicate this song to my brothers, my comrades, the Honorable Muhammad Sejirinya and the Honorable Alan Sewanyana. These brothers are wrongfully accused because the regime wants to sanitize itself at the cost of innocent people. In the same way they charged me for illegal possession of guns, which guns they had planted on me and eventually took away. The same thing that they do. Sending you positive vibes, brothers. Sending you solidarity. Ngamba situka tutambule emera emalamu amaanyi emugo watugende mugo watutambule oluwanvu naye tutuuka zeegiyimuka emera emalamu amaanyi mugo watugende Uganda wange kugamba situkirawo tulina omulimu munene gwa kununula Uganda erikwe si misango komyewo oba tosobola kudduka wakiringo tambula oba tosobola kutambula wakiringo yabula oba tosobola kwambula wakiringa bwewalula naye kyona kikiri sigala ng'omubinga tewali mirembe gye bagenda kulikira waka ku sosiyo bw'oba tuli mu matipo sanoka ngule ku polisiyo sigala ku kosiyo naye manya lwaisyo tulema kukolera Uganda gwezimba kwangalyo wadenga posiko teyali wa choice wezanya patio mubali no kwangalyo Well, may this song give you positive vibes, everybody. Pola pola, ikewo bubaka, kakube pola pola, ikewo bubaka wange, pola pola, ikewo bubaka. Oh, yeah, this one goes to you, brothers and sisters, all over the world. I get various messages. Mwana mbobika chechi dako katukole tuja kasajanga kalimedeko. Yes, we find so many reasons to despair. But I want to tell you that, like we've been told from nursery, quitters never win and winners never do what? Never quit. I want to tell you that one day, one time we're going to be free, and you too can do it. So don't despair. Whatever nabina bimala mama nyina ina kusigala ngokola chi ogenda bugenzi maso. Balabe banji mumona mu abatoba bamune bagwa mama nyine bakita naelero kamba gambe amazima. Pola pola wo balabe banji mumona mu abatoba bamune bagwa mama nyine bakita naelero kamba gamba amazima. Balabe banji mu struggle wano bamune bagwa mama nyine bakita naelero kamba gamba amazima. Bonemena ko munanjiro malako bikadi twasalawo kulumba nalonga twesinga mukama katonda kuba ne Daudi yakubango ni asinga yesinga mukama katonda. Nebera ingasobola abatoka muntu yosobola nyamukama wali yosobola sobola nebera ingasobola etika kinji mukama wali aditokwa mu manyi osobola mubera yona. Yes, man. Give me that one drum. Adigwa bandalo zande bitu bya balonde kangubu serero nawe abadagamba nibisoboka example yefe. Wabadalo zande bintu bya balonde kangubu serero nawe abade agamba ebintu tebisoboka example yefe. Katino nebakutitsa nebakufitsa nebakunyomanga nawe ebintu biyinza babali mu buyinza nebakukanganga wadinga ajana bomona tiaga tipetu jana mukama katonda kuba ne Daudi aja vita nyinyi mukama wali togwa mumanyi ajana bomuna tiaga tipetu jana mukama katonda olama mwana walua yakwata mumasi. Full of blessed love, people power, our power, people power. Yes, man. Remember that when words fail, the music goes through. So may all these positive vibes that we send you from Uganda reach you with the strength and positivity that we send it to. Ladies and gentlemen, we're communicating to you straight from Kamocha, from the Vibration Studios. Big up the team, big up That's Vibes. and all the team over here. So, blessed love, Neka tubaimbire ky'abaana b'e Boston. We are sad that we are not able to be with you in person, but the Almighty know better. But sooner or later we'll be together and we'll be having a very positive time. But in the meantime, enjoy the vibe. Dance! Nanga womuntu nomagana nga mazima nakulinako nakulako mwenda muwamu wamani bawulire segomye kati nenange ali wano mutima gwange gujjudde ebiwundu ebitagambika nenagamba nadaga najula n'okunyokuma banangeera bweruma yesume abadde Yes, now this goes out to you, friends. Keep the vibe going. In Boston, I want to send it to my good friends, Derek, to Maimuna. I want to dedicate it to you, Mr. and Mrs. Kaziba, and all the friends and family, Mubawala. How are you, Boston? Yes, you may. Don't believe me when a bad man say, if I like it to have a love of my memory will never die. Don't want to yes, you may. Don't believe me when a bad man say, if I like it to have a love of my memory will never die. What's my love for you? We're thankful of this option while we minister to you from Kamocha, while our audience is in Boston. Mainly, we're sending greetings to our brothers in the Australia chapter. We're sending greetings to our brothers in Canada, brothers and sisters in Bahrain, those in Denmark, in Greece, in Japan, in Norway, those in Oman, Holland. We send you greetings, Kasiri, my brother, Brian, Lydia, Bolivanji, Nyonyonyo, Elisa, Chimoli, Ronnie, Henry. We send you greetings, Chiumoro, many brothers and sisters. Brenda Nakato in Canada. We send you greetings. We should be coming to you to interface physically, but again, we use the internet to continuously communicate to you. Those in Sweden, sisters like Jackie, those in South Korea, those in South Africa, of course, Ali Mawale, Jajaibu, those in UK, Lee and Rema, those in Zambia, Namata, we send you greetings. Those in Ghana, those in UAE, those in Boston, those in Ngambentia, Banji, It's love and positivity that we send to you. Give me some more music, brothers. Dance! Hey. Well, this one is for everybody. Honorable Zake, Honorable Nyansi, Honorable Kayemba. Give me. I'm on the way. Kukamanya omutima gwange wamenyate njagala mutima gwange kuzanyate njagala obango njagala leero mulire obango mbe natwala nyagire kukakaza kangu kuba embaga tunyiteke busabala basibule obalake yakaweta busambeko bulingolinga omuwete kakwakaze kuiyogenje ate muono baje Okay, Nubian. Abantu tulina bachamusanyo tuli mu struggle. Tubalina kusanyuka nnyo. Anyway, we send you greetings and positivity. I want to dedicate the next one. My two. Yes, sir.
Champion Marvin.
Yes, sir.
Kapalaka.
Yes, sir.
You and Eviona.
Yes, sir.
Big up on yourself.
We send greetings also to my two deputy presidents, Madam Jolly Mujisha, Mama Zidriga Lina. We send greetings to you, our Secretary General, Comrade David Lewis.
Lumongoya.
We send you positivity. The team from Uganda, the Deputy Secretary General, my sister Aisha Kabanda, my sister Honorable Flavia Navagabe, my brother Comrade Nyansi Kaimba Solo, Honorable Zake. Both send you greetings.
Flavia. Wagwan.
Thank you. That should be enough, right? Okay, some more music. Okay, now this one goes to my old boys. Abambuze kona mabulineyo ebulaya. Alright. I am this Batman from everything where we have to is all. And I'm straight that made it. Yeah. I am this Batman from everything where we have to is all. And I'm straight that made it. Yeah. Alright. I don't want to do it for somebody. I go be one day on the baby. Abadamanyi bebanelija newerabira. Hey, I am this man. Ladies and gentlemen, comrades all over the world, I want to salute in a very special way my brothers that have had to pay an even extra price for their freedom and they're still standing strong. When you watch us now, you only see Nubian. Nae, around us, we have so many comrades that have been in prison for stand for the truth. We have Kistan, we have Oshe Mukisa, we have Bobby Young, we have Innocent Mogo. We have Giant. We have all the political prisoners. Yeah, man. We send you greetings. Sijabaita tubali muko. And the last beat. Dance the next vibe. Stop. Akakaima jagala tukadigide kone wa political prisoners. Come here, man. That's the vibe. Obusibe bugwa. Eyalama, noi. Amasogo buli wengala wanzi ya sunshine. Etuza ujibira nebi. Takube mpola. Ono bamuyita Karamaji. He's a music promoter. He's an innocent young boy, but he was taken to prison just because he was supporting Kyagulanyi. Ono bamuyita Mukisa Oshe.
If you like.
Very young man, just making it to 20. Was taken to prison by Museveni for no reason whatsoever. Ono bamuyita Bobby Young, musajja atonda ice cream. Talina buzibu na muntu. He earns his decent income. He's not a criminal, but he was thrown to prison for no reason whatsoever. Ono bamuyita Kingston. He's a social media influencer. To prison for no reason. Real hero. Real revolutionary. Ono chali wa fe bamuyita Giant. He's a teacher. His name is Damba. Prison for no reason. Swania, my young brother, Gold Mbogo, Nyanzi Williams. No crime whatsoever. Ladies and gentlemen, come here, Lukman Kampala. This man is always by my side. His name is Lukman Kampala. Decent man, law-abiding citizen. Bana batobe mulaba bebano Museveni balwana nabo. Bali Museveni asigala kulwana n'aba musician, n'aba kinyozi, n'aba cameraman, n'aba teacher, n'abavuzi ba boda, na bano bonna betwambadde tebalina musango. Oliver talina musango. Machete talina musango. You know, why is a talina musango? They didn't commit no crime. But because, like all dictators, are afraid of people, especially young people that stand for the truth. These people have been to prison and back, but they still stand firm. So never to what to limbia napo. Tusanyukamu, twasalawo obutana kuwala, kubanga twagala tulaga ababatunyigiriza, tukyali strong. Are you feeling nice? Another day you say it is a big ganja, another day you say you are another day you say Naima Chalenga Puro. Yes, that's how we be in Kampala, Uganda. Even under oppression, we find reason to smile. Because at the end of the day, we are winners. Because we are on the side of the truth. Dance the next vibe. Agambia baba bisobola ne tweyongera kongo bulumi bwaffe abantu bakuma n'abandi battibwa ekyo twakuma tutukutte ensonga enjogera gyonayogera tuzaga tukira ensonga ekyo ekimanyo ekyo kimanyo batutongere ekyo kimanyo batutongere amanyi gekyo kimanyo batukola nakube mpolampola tumereka abeebola nakube mpolampola. Blessed love. We are sending greetings to the brothers and sisters in Holland. Susan, blessings to you. Dorothy in Boston. Yesia Nanyonga in Ohio. Jomusange in Texas. Bana mwe balikola emirimu. David in Tambi in Chicago, we salute you. Takayo from Florida, big up yourself. Much love. Ladies and gentlemen, we have done magic on the side. Not that magic, jango obire ku bantu nawe. Neda. Ladies and gentlemen, done magic, sir, done magic.
Done.
Dance again. Simanyo watu. Bless you, that magic. Ladies and gentlemen, in the house we also have Comrade Waiswa Mufumbilo. Nazi Jego. Baba, ida ochine mukayala. Balagete nebusoka waliyo dance. Hey, yeah. Omola yobuzina. Waiswa Mufumbilo. Omola yobuzina. Waiswa Mufumbilo. Wasigala omukulu talabe kiri mu ggwanga okikiyangalanya. Wasigala omukulu talabe adansigeyo simanyo. Ladies and gentlemen, Comrade Waiswa Mufumbiro. Ekyo simanyo batukongere amanyi geeko wabula simanyo batukongere. Thank you. Wow. It's really been a pleasure being part of this conference, ending it together in a light mood, ladies and gentlemen. But the fight is still so hard ahead of us. Like Mandela one time said, you climb a hill and reach the hilltop only to realize that there's an even bigger part of it to climb. So we have to keep going, keep strong, keep motivating one another. Let's keep encouraging one another, keep fighting every reason to fight on. In any case, failure is not an option for us. Give me some more music here. We are sure that one day we're going to be free. One day we're going to live in a country that we are proud to call home. Olutalo nga luwedde tuliyambale ngule tuliyambale ngule tuliyambale ngule olutalo nga luwedde tuliyambale ngule tulimba mu Uganda. Never again celebrate for this beautiful nation to again experience oppression by one by another. Never. Yaga. Kumikono cy'abantu ulibanga tebatatukugisambo mu Uganda amazima n'owekanya Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's time to go home.
Before we go home, we still have many inmates, many fellow comrades in prison.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we need to call out loud for their freedom.
Yes, sir.
Machete, Olivia, so many of them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
We are not free until everybody is free. And we must not be comfortable until everybody is comfortable. For some of us that have been entrusted with a voice, we must use it. We must never betray those people upon whose backs we live. We must not betray the trust that the people put in us. To all the leaders, to everybody that was lucky to leave Uganda and live in a country that is well governed, you did not go forever. We just sent you there as a savior. You have a big role to play, my brother, my sister. You have a big role. Nobody is going to tear gas you when you demonstrate, when you protest for the rights of your people. So please do it, because we depend on you entirely. For those that have stood with Uganda, history will be on your side. And one day, you will look back and say it was all worth it. So let's keep soldiering on, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, man. This one is called Yes I. Yes I. Talk to them, Nubian.
Yeah. When you keep quiet about the injustice,
yes, sir,
then you're being part of the oppressor.
Yes, sir.
You need to come out and use your voice.
Yes, sir.
Stand out.
Yes,
stand up. Yes, defend those who cannot speak out.
Yes, sir.
Be our amplifiers.
Yes, sir.
Down in Uganda, our freedom of expression is becoming narrower and narrower.
Yes, sir.
Shrinking day by day.
Yes, sir.
But out there you have some sort of freedom.
Yes, sir.
Use that freedom. Do something about social media. Express what is happening in Uganda. Expose the regime. United we can.
Definitely. We definitely can never be defeated. We want to thank the organizing committee of this function. We want to thank you, Sister Evelyn. We want to thank you, Sister Grace Nachiboneka. We want to thank you, Winnie Mutiaba. Want to thank you, Prosi, to thank you, Derek, to thank you, Charles, all our brothers and sisters that have made this possible. Echoto, abana be Echoto mwena mwena, abana ba Ghetto TV, AITV, and all the channels that have dedicated themselves to the service of Ugandans. We cannot pay you enough. We can only pay you by sticking to the values that bring us together. I've always said it, brothers and sisters, we're not together because we're friends. We're not together because we share a background. We are together because we share a future that we will decide to either be a good one for us and our children or a miserable one. We have the choice, and we must make sure to drive it to the right desire. Dance that song. Judgment to the bandits. They kill our people. They kill our people in Gulu. They kill our people in Kasese. They kill our people in Masaka. They kill our people in Luka. The bandits them. Alright, wali mu Uganda yaffe atusanga tweyagalira ku ne bajja ne batusalako bajja n'amagato gaabwe n'obusato bwali buyulise ku migongo ne tubasembeza babeera bakadde baffe ne tubeeseka ne tubakweka mu kapanga ne tubafiirira baawera ne lumonde waffe bali bagagaabeeba onto wango bali mu Uganda yaffe atusanga tweyagalira kuno ne bajja ne batusalako bajja n'amagato gaabwe n'obusato bwali buyulise ku migongo ne tubasembeza babeera bakadde baffe ne tubeesika ne tubakweka mu bisalo ne tubafiirira baga ne lumonde waffe bali bagagaabe baamala wende zaffe baffe n'amataka gaffe nekye twali twaziika abantu baffe bajja ne babasendawo kati bawamba baana baffe babatiisatiisa nti buli ayogera mazima abeera wakopa babasabye amabi n'abamu babasiba abasudde mu bitoogo atuteeka mu katengo okujja mu biro mubaddize katengo amaono temuba na katengo ekisibya ekyuka tukake katengo batukuuka mumbulano katengo nga betulya ate bebasinga ulo. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for God and my country. Sign up. Bless.
Thank you so much.
Freedom comes to those who fast. I know those who continue to cry and cry.
Thank you so much.
Because the
Thank
more
you, Mr.
continue to
President.
cry, the more you continue to die and die.
Obugalo bwa president, obugalo bwa Bobby Wine.
And Obugalo for the dancers who made.
Boys, you hear the sound. This is not new like what you've seen before. Actually, no, I made it clear. This is something new that we have seen in the recent past that nobody was expecting to see. You have heard from him. He has entertained people. He has given them what they expected, music from the bottom of his heart. And that's what people wanted to see happen. Again, like what you have heard from him, there is need for unity. I have heard him appreciating all our diaspora community members who are working hard to make sure that the voices of the oppressed are heard. He has appreciated the leadership down here in the United States, in Boston. They're making it possible that nothing is missed day in, day out to make sure that his voice is spread all around the world. We see a number of media houses down here, and they're working to make sure that the voice goes out there. He has mentioned about AITV's role in making sure the voice of the oppressed goes out there, and people hear what he has argued, or what he has always argued Ugandans to get one-on-one. We anticipate that in the near future we will have a direct interview one-on-one with him to give us more light on what he aims at achieving. Right now behind me, you have seen a number of Ugandans dancing, celebrating the future of their country. This is not, like I said earlier, this is not like any normal event you've watched before. No, this is new. This is where we have seen the diaspora community coming together to make sure that the voice of the oppressed can be heard. When the diaspora speaks, we have heard from the past, at least we know President Museveni, his family, and a number of comrades who were in Sweden fighting for their freedom back in the days. Now, the other community is now coming up to say, hey, wait a minute, this is a man who has been in power for close to 35 years. Are we going to continue listening to what he said? Are we going to change something? That is the reason why you were seeing so many people coming over here today to gather, not just to celebrate, have an entertainment from Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi, but also to hear different views, to hear different ideas, share ideas. What can we do to improve the future of the country? Right now, we're going to hear from the leadership. Here, we are hearing names from different leaders who have been key in making sure that the views of Ugandans in the diaspora are heard down at the Secretariat. He has celebrated the Secretary General of the organization, Louis Lubongoya, who is also here tonight. We have seen Honorable Zaki, as I mentioned earlier, Honorable Kaye Mbasolo, who is also here, Aisha Kamanda from Butambala is also here. A number of key members of the National Unity Platform have not missed this event. The only person who was missing physically was President Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi. But he made it a point that even though we are out, we can do something. Even though we are out, we can share words. Even though we are out, we can always meet our people from different countries and share with them. Not just through entertainment, but also his statements were very clear. But for now, I want to thank you, and I'll take you back to the MC of this event today to share more of what's happening here in the diaspora. For now, I have gone. Thank you so much. I'll be back to share more from what I hear. Of course, I've seen a number of pastors here. I have seen a number of, to be exact, religious leaders from the Islamic fraternity to the born again fraternity, Pentecostals. We have had Anglican leaders. We have seen Catholic leaders here. We have seen a number of key influential people, from social media influencers to musicians who have come here to entertain the audience. This is the last day, the grand finale, the dinner that is happening right now. So I want to thank you so much for watching AITV, the official media network that is streaming and broadcasting live this entire event. You have heard Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi mentioning all these key media houses that are doing a tremendous job to make sure that all these events come straight to you. For now, I'll take you back to the MCs who are trying their level best to give you the names of key individuals who are here. For now, I'll be back. Thank you.
Honorable Francis Zake, Youth MP, Mityana. Youth leader in Noop and MP Mityana Municipality. Honorable Kayemba Solo, MP Bukoma Nsimbi. Honorable Flavia Kalule, MP Woman Kasanda. Honorable Aisha Kabanda, Assistant Secretary General and Woman MP for Butambala District. Chairman Nyanzi, Secretary Informal Sector Nope. These guys, everyone's gonna say hi, and then the leader will say a few words.
Abatategeera Luzungu nti buli omu agenda kutubuuzaako, then after beekolemu omulimu omu atuwe speech ebakiikiridde.
I'm told Comrade Wameli is here. Councillor Wameli, it would be good for you to join us here if you're around. Okay. Maybe he's on the way. And we'll begin from this side, and then I will conclude from the other side.
People power, our power. Are you as energized as I am? People power, our power. NUP everywhere. Kyagulanyi, thank you, Obugalo. Just a word. Yesterday I told you about that desperate man who set fire on water. It means Desperate times call for